Hey guys, today I'm making homemade chicken strips and rice. In a pot of water, add in your washed rice and some turmeric and salt. Allow that to boil till cooked. Wash and cut your chicken fillet into strips. Then add in your Nandos peri sauce, lemon juice, oil, turmeric, garlic paste, chicken spice, chili powder, mayo, and some salt and pepper. Mix it well and allow the chicken to marinate for about 20 minutes to an hour. When you're ready to cook the chicken, in a pan on high heat, add in all of your chicken strips as well as all of the marinade. Allow the chicken to cook for about 5 minutes, then turn it over onto the other side. Turn the chicken back and forth to cook evenly until the chicken releases all of its liquid and all of that cooks out and evaporates. Then add in your cream. Mix it in well. Lower the heat and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. Then your strips are ready to serve. To finish the rice, strain the cooked rice and set it aside till needed. In a pan on high heat, add in your oil and butter and allow the butter to melt slightly. Then add in your diced veggies, onions, carrots, and mixed peppers. Mix it well and add in your garlic and lemon pepper. Mix the garlic in and allow this to cook covered for about a minute, just to soften the veggies slightly. Give it a mix and add in your rice. Mix everything together well. Remove it from the heat and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!